And welcome back to Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can be in the live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. Now let's take a look at our old friend Sade L. She's back and she's updating us with something about the court.
Islam, peace, love, and energy. I am Sade Renee L, and I'm back at it again with another video.
I'm feeling better already.
And man, oh man, I'm actually just going to share the shenanigans. How about that? Let's just share the shenanigans.
The order was received. Your estimated wait time is less than
Free baby
1
Ashe.
minute. Clark County Public Defender's Office.
Good day. I was calling. May I have your name, please?
We don't give our names out. How can I help you?
Are you a clerk of court? Just for the record.
What was your question?
I'm asking for my question. Are you the clerk of court? Like, are you just a receptionist? Like, do you just answer phones?
Yeah, we just transfer the calls over.
Okay, so you just work there, but you've never been sworn in as far as like oath of office. Like, are you aware of the law?
What's your question? What do you need help with?
My question is, are you aware of the law? I just need to know who I'm speaking to. I'm not trying to be funny or nothing. Like, I'm really just asking you a general question. And then she hangs up in my face. Okay, great. All right, let's try this again. Clearly, I can't have her name. Let's try this again.
With Defender's Office. For English, press 1. Para Español,
I'm in a fucking
our
America.
office
Why would I
located
not
at
press 1?
309
Look, why would I
Street,
press what
Nevada,
Spanish press 2? Like, I speak English.
Our office hours are Monday through Thursday, 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., excluding holidays. Please hold while we connect you to the operator. Thank you. Thank you for calling. All of our representatives are currently helping other customers. Please stay on the line and your call will be answered in the order it was received. Good afternoon, Public Defender's Office.
Hi there. Good day to you. I come in peace, by the way. Just to let you know, I really come in peace in regards to like law and unity. So I don't come. I'm not trying to like be argumentative with you, honestly. May I have your name, please?
Okay, one moment.
Here we go again. Or anything of that nature. And then now they're transferring me over.
This is Wences. Can I help you?
Hi there. Good day to you.
Hi, Howard.
Hey, peace and love, Islam. I don't know why I was transferred over to you, honestly. May I have your name, please?
Yes, of course. My first name is Wences. Do you need me to spell it out for you?
Yes, please, sir.
Yeah, of course. Wences.
Excellent. And then, may I have your like job title or something? Because I honestly just called the clerk, so I don't. Are you a marshal or something?
No. You actually. So you've called. This is the Clark County Public Defender's Office.
Excellent. Yes.
Yeah.
You're a clerk. You're like probably like a clerk or a secretary for one of the acting as public defenders, I would imagine.
I'm sorry.
What are you, like a secretary or a paralegal?
No. I'm actually the administrator for the entire office.
Okay, excellent. An administrator for the entire office. What office do you work for, please?
The Clark County Public Defender's Office.
Excellent. And with that being said, did you take like an oath or anything like that to uphold the Constitution?
I did not take an oath because I myself am not an attorney. No.
Okay, so you just work there to take phone calls, but you're not licensed in the practice of law. You can't give legal advice.
I myself do. No, you are correct. I would not be able to provide you with legal advice. And I am not a licensed attorney. I'm the administrator for the office.
All right.
But how can I help you?
Well, I'm just trying to figure out that. I just want to establish this first because I don't want to waste my time or your time, sir, honestly.
Yeah, of
So I
course.
just want to make sure I'm speaking to the correct person. So when you say you're an administrator, what do you administer? Like
the entire office. So, as an example, well, I myself cannot provide you legal advice because, again, I'm not an attorney, but I can put you in contact with the correct person that can help you. With that being said, are you currently a client of our office?
No, sir. Before we continue, I just want to get I know you just explained that, but I just really want to get a comprehension and an understanding of your job title, because I do call, I've called, before, and not for the most part. I don't, I'm not looking for customer service, but I'm looking for lawful people, living beings to answer the phones. So
but let me say something to you as well, though, because I think I asked you if you were a client, and you mentioned that you are not a client of our office.
So
is that correct?
That's kind of a misnomer, sir. To be honest with you, but just to circle back to what I was saying though, before we mislead this conversation.
Well, no, because here's the thing: if you're not a client of our office, we
you
can't
speak to
you
me. Of course. So again, if you just give me some time, sir, if you just give me some time, we're going to circle back to that, because I promise you, we're going to circle back to that, because it's a yes, it's a no, but a yes at the same time, due to threat, duress, and coercion. So we'll circle back to that.
Okay.
So again, I'm just trying to figure out, for constitutional purposes, I just want to make sure, because even if I speak to you honestly, like, I'm not in contract with you guys, but you guys keep continuously telling me I'm in contract with you, which I'm not. I've literally stated I do not have nobody to quote unquote represent me. I don't know, again, you're not familiar with the law dictionary, anything of that nature, but if you look up representative in the law, Black's Law Dictionary, appearance, anything of that nature, it's a bad term.
What did you say?
So nobody represents me. I'm a living being. I have blood that actually flows through my body and my veins. So with that being said, I don't need nobody to represent me, because I am in suture status. So with that being said, I just want to make sure once again, because I've called several times, and then not for the most part, I just want to make sure. So you said you're not constitutionally, so you just work there, meaning they just, like, you literally just went, like, I'm not saying you did this, but you could have literally went on LinkedIn, Craigslist, anything of that nature, or you could have had a friend or a family member say, hey, apply for this job, and you got the job, but you work for a law firm, but you're not qualified in law.
No, not quite that way. There was actual qualifications for my position. Not
but
quite
you don't know
that
the
way.
law, though,
what
sir.
I cannot do, because I am not an attorney, nor would I.
But you're not even a paralegal, sir. Are you even a legal secretary?
I'm sorry. Well, again, that's why I need to. You mentioned.
Well, again, I mean, we can go back and forth with questions. I mean, I was just trying to get a better not even understanding. And again, I come in peace, so I'm not trying to. I hope I'm not disrespecting you, because I honestly did not.
No, not at all.
I promise you. I'm literally just a living being calling because I have issues going on, right? So if I have issues going on, guess what? I have to call around, and then I would appreciate when I call around, people give me the same respect as far as if I have questions, give me an honest response. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not calling you.
Yeah.
And, I'm not trying to create a catastrophe. I promise you. I literally just want to talk to you, sir. Okay, so I think let's just move past that. I think you've established that. So with that being said, let's move forward to me. I was just in contact. Brian Cox. He eventually, finally, recused himself off the case again by another agent of your corporation, and I don't like it. Again, I don't like, no means no. So she called herself hyphenated, trying to represent me. You don't represent nobody but the ens ligas, okay? I am the authorized representative and the beneficiary of the ens ligas.
Boy, nothing gets by you, butthead. You should be a lawyer.
I've told this lady, Pandora 11, several times, Pandora 11, Pandora Levin. She does not, quote unquote, represent me. She keeps moving forward. And again, she's a leech. Do you know what a leech is? It's somebody who attaches herself to you and don't want to leave. If I say no, no means no. I can literally show you emails We've had conversations. This lady is so, not only is she disrespectful, let's even entertain, even if I was not in sue juris status, okay? Even if I was not in my proper persona, I would never, as an incompetent, I could be a slave on the plantation and know better than not to let her represent me. 'Cause I'm a liar. She's not the one, okay? She's the last person on like, she needs to be this, like, I don't know if this lady drinks at night, if she smokes, I don't know. I don't want to, excuse me. Let me retract, because I don't want to say nothing defaming. You know what I'm saying? So what part of no means no? Like, I'm just trying to figure out why this lady is still on this alleged case. If I told her, like, I don't want to, like, she's out of pocket, she's out of order, she's broken many laws, and she's threatened me. I can show you the last time I spoke to her, she threatened me. Okay, I get email threats talking about, well, if you don't respond to me, you're going to jail. First of all, that's last time I checked, that's Nevada Fourth and Fifth Amendment. A person should be secure in their properties, and no warrants or I'm saying this off the top of my head, or search and seizures should not be applied.
Stupid! You're so stupid!
Like, I can really go back right now. I can get on my laptop and say it. But you know what I'm saying. Like, I don't have to say it verbatim. Like, this is involuntary servitude. Like, I know that much. Don't be deceived. The law is not complex, okay? Common sense is the foundation of all authorities, of the laws themselves and their construction. Like, I don't have to go back and forth with her because I've told her this several times, okay? So I'm calling you today to let you know I've been trying to give her the window. She can just leave me alone, but if she wants me to prosecute her, like, you know, professionally and personally, I can do that. I don't want to deal with this lady. So why does she keep being like a leech? Do you know what a leech is? Like, again, just look up the definition.
Understand. Well, let me ask you this, because I still don't. What is your name?
I am the great Cornholio.
I have an appellation and a title. So what the ends legacy is, the straw man, again, I'm the authorized beneficiary. And again, this might not make sense to you because you don't practice law. But with that being said, I really do need you to please notate this specifically. I am the authorized beneficiary.
Okay.
Account Sade, all capital letters. You can put this all capital letters. Account Sade, S-A-D-E.
S-A-D-D.
No, sir. S-A-D for Delta, E for Echo, please.
Okay,
Kellogg, just like the cereal, K-E, capital, K-E-L-L-O-G-G. It might be hyphenated or not, but Tharp, just like sharp, but T. So T for Thomas or Tango.
Okay.
H-A-R-P for Papa, please.
H-A-R. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Okay.
And I've called a few times. I've like literally called the supervisor and things of that nature. It's been a few weeks, and I'm a free band living person. I have more things to do than call you guys every day, every other day. Like, not to mention. It's a violation of human rights, USC codes, all of that. And again, I'm not saying nothing personally to you, sir, so I do apologize.
No,
it sounds like I'm
bitching,
but yes, I'm a bit frustrated. I don't want to keep calling you guys. She don't represent me. She's not my attorney. She's not my public defender. No means no. If I say no, I don't want you, then get off the case. Like, why are you still a leech? I've sent in an affidavit. Like, do y'all have that on file? That's the cool part about it, because I can send you emails of what I've sent the court of records, the clerk of court, and that's in violation of USC filing documents. Every time I send you something by way, like that's full faith and credit. You have to file that. So why, when I go online right now, I don't see the documents that you filed? But I have certificate mailings and I have signatures that y'all received it. So it's no way that y'all can get around that. I said she don't work for me. So why is she still in my case?
Well, let me give this a shot. You keep on sending her stuff to submit to the court, right? But then you don't want her on your case in order to do anything, so when it's not showing up, you're upset as well. Am I getting this right?
Have you petitioned the court for...
I don't need to petition the court, sir. Not for nothing. I'm not asking y'all. I'm telling you. Okay? I'm not asking. And I'm not saying that like to be disrespectful towards you again. I understand like you're not, trained in the law. So I'm not saying it like, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, no, but with that being said, I said it nice and I said it strongly. Yes. Okay. I've done both ways. Okay. I tried to play nice. And then I really went back to the law, like as far as I'm not no slave, it's involuntary servitude. I don't even have to ask y'all. I am the court. I'm a free living being. Like this is all fraud. Like she needs to go. She don't work for me. What part of that don't y'all understand? I don't talk to her. If I was to email her or call her right now, she's gonna be so disrespectful. We don't even have a rapport. You hear what I'm saying? I don't even get along with this lady. How can she? Go ahead. Sorry.
What I can do? What I can do is I can't put you through to her supervisor.
I tried that before. She don't ever call me back. I've done that. I don't know if y'all. When's the last time I called? Can you see that in the notes? In regards to this case?
See that in the notes. See,
that's the thing, because I call all the time. I'm getting tired. Again, how did I get to you? As soon as I got to you, I was like, who are you? I thought you was the marshal. I'm like, who am I speaking to? Because every time I call y'all transfer me. Voicemail. Like, I'm tired. I just don't want, what part of no means no? I don't want to deal with y'all. Leave me alone. I'm in sui juris status. Sui juris. SUI space JURIS. Look it up. And I'm not legally incompetent. I can do this by myself. I don't need y'all. Not saying you in particular. Excuse me. Again, let me calm it down. But I'm just saying again. It's very frustrating. So I need you to understand where I'm coming from as well.
Yeah, no. The other thing we can do is I can have you talk to the assistant public defender. One of our assistant public defenders. She is in a meeting right now, but when she is back, if the number that I have for you, which is the 415, is a good number, I can let her know that you called and what the issue you brought to my attention is.
I mean, if that's the only alternative right now, not for nothing, I'm making this phone call again as a courtesy. Before I take further actions. So it's one of those things. I was always taught, like, go to the source. Like, that's even in the Bible. If your neighbor does you wrong, go to your neighbor first. If then y'all can't resolve it, then go to the courts, then go to people. You know what I'm saying? Then reach out. But I am just as a common living being with blood that runs through my body, just trying to be, again, cordial. Like we can do this a good way, the easy way, we can do this a hard way. And trust me, in the hard way, y'all gonna lose. So just let me out this non-contract. I never signed to no contract with y'all. Okay? So whatever contract y'all think y'all have on me, I never signed it. Okay? If I ever did, it is now null and void. Okay? I'm very frustrated with your department and the people who you work for, of course. But nonetheless, it's nothing personal. But you are who you work. If you hang around the barbershop long enough, you're gonna get a haircut. Okay, so just in the long run, just make sure you know who you're hanging around with too, because integrity, in my eyes, it lasts longer than money. So, But yeah, I'm not gonna hold you too much.
So yeah, so what I can do is I can do that. Like I said, I don't because I don't want to transfer you to another voicemail, and I do know that that's what you'll get right now because she stepped out to a meeting. But like I said, when she does get back, because she will be back, I can give her if this, like I said, if this is a good number for you. I have 415.
No, yeah, that's me. That's me. Yep, yes, sir. You got me. 415. That's enough said. Yes, sir.
All right, fantastic. 684 9. Correct.
That sounds like a winner chicken dinner.
All right, fantastic. Then when she gets back, I will speak with her, and I'll let her know about our conversation.
Do you know my turnaround time by any chance?
You can't fix stupid.
And thanks for joining us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video, you can be in a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section telling what you think. And a huge shout out to our channel members, King Leo 9, Robert Morley, Bandon, MD, Led Zeppelin Wargirl 73, Chris Kelling, Goddess of Truth, Pedro Guacamole, ArchAnglAzreal, Grendel and AZ Jeepgirl. If you'd like to become a member, just click on the link in the description or click join right next to subscribe. Wanishi, thank you. If you're still watching and you're not subscribed yet, why not give it a try? Do all the YouTube-y stuff, click on the like button, subscribe, ring that bell, share it around, and I'll see you soon.